So first stop in Bulgaria. Huh? Make me look stupid again.
No.
I look cool now. First stop in Bulgaria, Happy Grill. Very empty at the moment. The food looks good on the menu. Look at that. That looks good. It's my truffle burger. Yours coming. This will be our sleeping spot. Whoop. Yeah, it's not too loud. We shouldn't hear it in the back. And this is what's out the back of our van.
Back doors. Enjoy our morning coffee in the bed.
Nice. It's really loud at the moment.
Thank you for the coffee, buddy.
Welcome. Go see Sofia? So we are back in Sofia. We have a wander around the mall. We'll look for some shoes. He's killing me. And then we'll head to Sopot. I'm not sure what that is. Pork something. It's a Bulgarian version of a sarmale. Some rice and some chicken. And Kalina's getting veggie stuff from the hummus bar. Is that tahini? No. Yes. Nice. Enjoy, Bunny.
Thank you.
Mine's better. Movie time, Bunny. Push a little button.
No, wait.
Nice. It goes so far back, eh? It's really weird. Who's watching movies like that? Doctor Strange, here we come. No. Stop to go and check out this big waterfall next. Yeah. Oh, think that's fresh mountain water. Check.
Yeah.
So is that War Memorial? They had loads of cannons around this place. They have their own flag. Maybe brought us one. We had to freak out so like this.
He's checking the ground for the parking.
Nice spot. This is next to the war monument. And yeah, look at the view. So this will hopefully be our sleeping spot. It is a bit chilly, isn't it? It's nice. 7th of May, but yeah, hopefully we don't bother anyone here. We're gonna have something to eat. Find some food. Nice. Bunny's cooking a veggie curry. And this is where we are tonight. So far no one seems to mind that we're here because there's not really anyone coming past. Oh, Bunny, it's gonna ride my nose.
Yeah.
We are going to hit the road shortly. Sopot is about half hour away. See if anyone's flying yet. Make sure the chairlift's working. It's really beautiful to be in these rolling green hills in the region of Plovdiv. Look at this place. So, good night. I think we got 5 days before Kalina leaves. 6 days, so hopefully we get a few flights. We are here. So there's the chairlift. And I saw 3 gliders coming down. And we parked on the side. It's very busy here. I think these are just normal people, not paragliders, because it's Sunday. We're trying to find the other landing, the big landing. I'm gonna guess it's this way, huh? This is a really steep launch. I mean, hike. Nice nose. You ready to do some ground handling? Do some playing. This is the large landing field. Launch is up there. The tiny one where people have been laying on their asses over there. Nice, bunny. Sweet. Ground handling. All over the place down here. It's just thermals, but it's good practice. Not flying, bunny. But we did some ground handling, huh? Nice mountain.
Bunny's going out to fly. He wasn't sure whether he's going to or not, but the chairlift is...
Okay, so the lift's not going up. We are going to hike up there, and I'm going to try and fly. I'm going to try and hike with my pack. I do think that's being optimistic because I'm so out of shape. And it is a north wind, but everyone says that you can fly with a north wind here. So that's double optimism from me today, Bunny. Ready to hike, Bunny? Okay,
Yeah.
11:30. We're starting our hike. It's about 8 or 9 kilometers and an 870 meter difference. Let's see how long it takes us to get up there. We probably can get lost a few times. Oh, this feels heavy already. 3 hours 30. That's hot.
We've been on the trail for 5 minutes.
I'll see you in another hour. I'm gonna go to the side. And this extremely steep path is the way to the launch. An intense hike already. What are we, half an hour in? It's really up. Ah, so this is the road the ATV would take.
Yeah.
Bulgarian snake. Oh, he's yellow. Good to be making my body do stuff again. Yeah. Whew. About 2/3 of the way there. Banana?
Yeah.
I'm going to be flying over this soon. Sopot is over there. Is it? I think that's the launch over there. Chairlift. I was going to say, not as bad as I thought, but we still got like a third of the way to go. This is so steep. Wind's blowing a bit up here, huh? And it doesn't get less steep. But we haven't hiked in 2 years, or once in 2 years, so we're doing okay. Chairlift, which I found out doesn't go every day. Hence this incredibly difficult hike. Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. So here's the chairlift. The launch is somewhere around there. I don't think that's it. It might be, but I don't think so. That was a hell of a walk. It was hard, man.
I think you're tired. You're out of shape.
How dare you? Yeah, that's fair. Time for lunch. Only fried some tofu, got some hummus, some bread and cheese. I'm hungry, eh? And we're gonna work off or add some calories back in. At the top, we walk past the station, which is down there. No, you're not. That's the top of the world. Oh, buddy, it's like a cliff over here. Beautiful. Oh. Good hiking.
Yeah. Bunny. Bunny.
Alright, am I ready?
Mhm.
And down. Ooh, that was rough. Really rough. I shot up there, but man, when you hit sink, you hit sink. I think I had 5 meters a second down. So, but it was nice. It's nice to be out. Beautiful view. Alright, first flight at Sopot. Hopefully next time there'll be a few gliders in the air, not just me. And then it makes it a bit easier to see what's going on.
Bunny cooked us a delicious
Vegan
zucchini
meal.
and lentil pasta. Yeah.
You make me cook vegan meals all the time.
After our hike and fly / hike and hike.
That was a big hike, yeah?
Uh-huh. Everything hits.
No, until tomorrow you're gonna be so sore.
Yeah.
We're in Karlova. There's some interesting architecture. We're looking for a laundromat. It's finally ice cream weather. Ta-da!
on our way for a swim.
Yeah, we're going to go meet Ivan, who I met on the mountain this morning, and have a swim and a shower.
In a shower, yeah.
Banya, huh?
Yeah, Turkish.
Very strange little town. And we're just going to wait for Ivan to show up and then we'll go check out the hotel. That was awesome. Thanks, Ivan. We had a really nice swim. All the kids running around. And just a really nice hot shower, eh? Sopot. It's extremely dead. There seems to be no people around. Which is not what I expected from this paragliding spot. The lift used to go up every day, almost every day, but now with the war and the increase in prices in electricity that they don't run it, and they up the price by 50%. As you can see, that's had the result of very few to no pilots. We're going to go for a hike to the waterfall. You want to hike to the top? She's still heading from our big hike a couple days ago. We went all the way there. This little spot. I don't know how old the structure is, but it's cute. What? Nice artwork. And there is the waterfall.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Nice. Goodbye, Bunny.
Oh, not yet.
Goodbye, Bunny.
Don't say that. We still got
Couple
2
days. Just pulled this little fella off the road. Hello, fella. You can't go back in the road. I know, rescue him, put him away from the road. Think he's okay there?
Yeah. We're on our way to Sofia.
Drop you off at the airport.
Not tomorrow, the day after.
And our last meal together is we're having sushi.
Yes. Different kind of smell.
Umami. Boom. Look at all that sushi. This is our farewell meal there. So, I think yours is very nice, by the way. Enjoy. Ready? Come on now. Nice. Look at that guy on that YouTube video. As you said, they don't do tap water. So I said, cool, can I have some ice? Now fill the glass up with ice.
Free water and a €40 bill.
Still free water, save €2. Say goodbye, Bunny. Bags packed.
It's my biggest pack that I ever had in Iceland.
We go 5.5 months.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Everything is gone. To Iceland for 5.5 months. It's just me and Ritzy Bubbles now. Just did some shopping. And now I'm going to drive to Sopot. It's going to be weird. First time doing van life on my own. Anyway, time to drive to Sopot. About 2.5 hours.